Uli, nandito po kami sa City Engineer's Office. Nandito po ang birthday boy, Philip Maestado. At ang inuutangan po namin ng mga materials at lahat, Mr. William Oxeno. So, punta po tayo sa loob habang makita natin nagpaplano ang mga engineers.
12 seconds later.
Yan, nandito na po kami. We're planning. Nandito na po ang aming city engineer, Engineer Elvin Mabansay. Yahoo! The secretary to the mayor, Uncle Gilbert Villar, Attorney Rico Borromea, Cookie,
Architect Mirasol.
Architect na nasol, and makilala ka?
Ramon.
Ramon Pariga Jr. from
City Planning.
Santa Maria and from City Planning. Mape-permanent na po ito.
Congrats in advance.
The PNR station.
This is the beautiful city of Iriga. Tacos po kamo sa syudad ni Iriga. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful city of Iriga.
Good morning, this is Mayor Madelaine Yorobe Alfelor again of Iriga City. And now we're in the CBD2. We call it Central Business District 2. And as you can see, we are building so much buildings right now. First is the rehab center of all the PWDs. Hopefully after 3 months, this will be finished. Sabi ko nga dun sa isang PWD, all the services are for free. So this will be the rehab center, and recently the Simon of Siren gave us new equipment to be used by the PWDs. So thank you very much, Simon of Siren. And now we move. At my back is the new gymnasium. At the same time, it will be a facility to be used by our sports enthusiasts. There will be a sports development, 1-year-long sports development program. And at the same time, it will be used as an evacuation center. So it will be shown how are we going to use gym as an evacuation center. And on this side, on my left, is the Techno Hub. It's PESA already, PESA certified, and there will be 3 components. Actually, the first component is call center, and then the second is working space, and the third is ESL Learning Center. So we will be having a lot of Koreans, Vietnamese, Malaysians who will be coming over to study English language. As you can see, this is our gym. Then at the back of the gym will be the Iriga City Hospital. Then after the Techno Hub, we will be building the new police station, and then the new Operations Center. See, this is the inside area of the gym, and it's so huge, and there's a separate court also for volleyball players, and this can cater about 3,000 to 4,000 audience or people. So imagine meron tayong evacuation center. It can cater probably 700 to 800 families. And then we have an exclusive mess hall, and then a kitchen, central kitchen, then a washroom, and then a lot of restrooms. So the evacuees can use the kitchen, they can cook, they can use the mess hall, and then the entire facilities of the sports, of the gymnasium. And now, as you can see, they are putting up the trusses already. And these trusses, these are all ordered from Vietnam. And then the roof were also ordered in Vietnam. So Hopefully this will be finished by March. And then after we finish by March, there will be an inauguration. And hopefully all of you can get to see the gymnasium, the new Iriga City Gymnasium. Thank you!
A few moments later.
Attorney Abaca. I'm with the City Legal's Office. Now, if you can see here, dito sa Iriga City, makikita ang aming Techno Hub. Maganda, maayos, at sabi ko nga, technologically advanced ang meron kami dito sa Iriga City. Sabi ko sa inyo, bisitahin nyo ang Iriga City, makikita nyo, napakaganda dito sa Iriga City.